Hi guys, so I'm getting ready because I'm going on an adventure with the beach babe. And we're going to a place called Water's Edge, and it's in Connecticut, so I'm not going to be too far away from home just in case, because you know, I'm always in mommy mode. Otherwise I probably wouldn't have went, but it's going to be a great time. So I'm taking you guys along with me, and we're going to have a great time. So come along on my, what is it called again? Water's Edge Adventure. See you on the drive there. We're almost there. Say hi. Don't crash. The sky is nice and blue for us. It's gonna be a great weekend. We got about 9 more minutes to go. We can't go to the villa yet. Sorry, I was rudely interrupted. I forgot what I was saying.
The tea and crumpets will
I forgot what I was saying. Okay, well, I'm gonna start back up with this. We can't go to the villa until about 3:30.
I don't know why she's saying it like that, but okay.
Because the villa sounds like that.
Yo, the villa's all set.
When we get to the villa, now I'm saying, when we get to the villa, we can't get to the villa. No, really, regular.
Yo, lady, change your sheets for the villa.
Real talk, though, real talk. Okay. Back
and I want that top down on the sheets.
And you make sure that there ain't no bed bugs in my villa, okay? Anyway, okay. So we can't go there until 3:30. So we're just gonna kind of like explore. So you guys are gonna explore with us. Okay. Okay, Claudia.
I feel like this car is following us.
This car?
Behind us.
Guys, you see this car? Let me put the camera up out the.
No, there's a motorcycle there now.
Oh,
Wait,
okay.
I'm missing the directions here. Turn that shit off.
There's no directions. We're not going anywhere. We can't go
We're
to
on the post road right now.
Okay.
I want to see where we're at, so
look,
we can figure
Ulta
out.
Beauty.
There's Big Y.
There's Big Y. Run, Forrest, run!
Somebody help me!
What is she waiting for the bus?
She's having an anxiety attack because her face is like.
I know.
Oh my God!
This is her.
Cool. What? He's shining.
I'm bougie. I got bougie for you, Claudia.
Bougie.
Yeah.
What's that?
I did my lashes. Extra.
Can you do mine?
I think I brought my glue.
I don't have any.
I don't have any either. The ones I got are on my eyeballs. But we could find some maybe. You gotta get extra. I can't just be the only one extra. Right? You gotta be extra too. We could be bougie. Bougie. Bougie, baby. Alright, I'm getting off. Goodbye. See you in a little bit. When I have something interesting to show you. Other than my big head.
Hopefully be at a beach.
To the beach. Boy!
There's nobody here though. This is
probably
a good spot.
Nobody's. Oh yeah, there is. Just a second. Just a second. Turn this way. Never mind. You missed. Wow, they're in fancy clothes.
See Long Island. sun's out. Probably because of that wave.
I could see it with my eyes, but I can't see it in the camera. Alright guys, so we're just spying on all the boats. Since I have this Zoom.
We're not going to do that.
There's only one person on that boat over there. Hey, there's somebody in the water.
We probably got a suit on. Trying to get up there.
No, that's a buoy. Listen, Claudia. Swimming diapers are required for all children who are not toilet trained.
I didn't bring mine. She'll have a good trip. What time does it close?
If it's warm. Hi! What are you doing with that knife in your hand?
Cooking dinner!
Okay, I was just making sure. You're happy to see me, right?
Yup! Beer!
Alright guys, so this is the little kitchenette. Claudia's little sexy toes. Alright, so here's the little living room. Set up all nicey nice. I took my happy nappy there already, so. Here's the porch. The water is over there, yonder, over there. I don't need your love.
So I'm putting everything in one thing here for the salad.
Okay. Here's the bathroom. There's two ways. Here's me, because I'm not naked. Look, there's two sinks. Here's the bathroom. Here is the other room. This is Claudia's room. Ooh, little sexy leg. She got her own little TV. And we are back around again. And we're cooking up some good stuff here. Oh yeah. And yeah, so that's about it for the room. And I'll show you more later. But I'm cutting off here. Okay? I'm cutting you off. Alright guys, so this is the Water's Edge Resort and Spa room service. It says so beautifully. Let's go see her. Let's go see her beautiful celery cutting. Oh my gosh, look at that beautiful celery. Look at that. In the cutest little pieces, just so perfectly cut. Anybody need a celery cutter? I know a lady.
How about a sous chef?
A sous chef?
That's what they do. They cut up fruit and vegetables.
A sous chef.
Yep.
That's what she is.
Not really.
She's my personal sous chef. Look at those little carrots. She just cut them up so nice and needy. Who needs room service?
Right?
Yeah, we bought all our stuff and we brought it here. Okay, so this right here, she done. You saw it already, but she done hooked that junk up. That is actually, what's the name of that rice?
Caribbean rice.
Caribbean rice by who?
Zatarans.
What's the song? Isn't there a song? What is it?
Easy, isn't it?
How's it
I don't know.
sound?
Call Billy up and ask him.
Oh man. All right, wait. Look at our fridge. This is what we got because I just want to say, first and foremost, before I show you the fridge, I just want to say, this lady right here has lost like, how much? 60 pounds. Why do you look so short? You're not that short. She lost 60 pounds. Okay. So, and what did you do? Cardio, and you changed your eating habits, right?
Yes.
Yeah, she's my inspiration because in a second she's gonna be like this skinny, and I'm not. But that's besides the point. But anyway, this is what we bought. So our fridge looks mighty healthy, and that's why. So here we go right here. We got the lettuce. We got some melon. Got rabbit food. No. Got some chicken. Salsa. More veggies. And
Detox.
some milk. Detox
Almond butter.
tea.
Protein. Mixer.
I can't have almond butter. That's why
Life cereal.
Life cereal.
Flaxseed and cereal and raisins.
Oh, that's the one I gave you.
Yep.
How is it? Is it good?
It's very good. I like it.
I can't eat like stuff like that, but whatever.
Avocado.
I can't eat avocado, so whatever. Because I'm allergic to half the stuff. But
Rice
yeah.
cakes,
So
organic,
yeah, she has
tuna.
lost so much weight, so I gotta give big ups to Claudia. Do you guys remember? Have you seen can you remember her from before and now? Yeah. She's like 60 pounds down. How many inches did you lose?
I think
Total.
7.
7 inches. 7.
7.
No, but you lost more. I think you're
It was 4 and 4, but
7
I don't know,
all
I'd
over
love
the
to
body.
I'd love to get on the scale right now. I really would.
We don't have a scale here, but all right. So yeah, that's what our fridge looks like. And back to this. If you really want some yogurt and granola that you can buy for $1.50 at the grocery store, you can get it here
That's my mother.
for only $6. Just $6, guys.
Hi.
Not bad. Not bad. You know why? Because it comes with fresh berries. Okay, so baked muffins, croissants, or a Danish is only $3. That's probably what I would get. Pancakes is $12. Belgian waffle. Belgian waffle. And 20% service charge will be added to your bill along with a $3 delivery charge. What if I just go to the kitchen and get it? How about that? Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, okay. That's not too bad. Delectables. Buffalo wings is $12. Handmade meatballs, 14. Calamari, 14. A cheese pizza. Now, I don't know how big the cheese pizza is. Ooh, guys, you see that chunk? $12 for a cheese pizza. A lobster roll is $20. Alright, that's enough of that, okay? Because we ain't even doing all that. And this place does offer a spa. But we're not doing a spa.
Okay, thanks.
You can have your meetings here. You can get married here. Okay. Here's the dinner. Salad. Perfect. We got the ranch dressing. Cheers.
You want lemon?
No.
Sure.
I'll drink some tomorrow. Bon appetit. Bye. See you later.